more zoners for ultimate. I was about to say. I know. I was gonna. I was about to say Gary from Gary's Mom. Yo, could we get Galaxxyss in as a sword-based heavy character? As a sword-based heavy? That would be awesome. He's a samurai bug. Have you ever in the anime? No. Like he makes it out of like that's his liquidation. He has a sword. He gets you. He gets you. He's some of the I do really want to see more Pokemon characters in the next game. Honestly, I'm surprised that Popcorn's having as much as it is. Because like, this is the Galaxy sword. Nice, move that down, dudes. Ooh. And Popcorn's really oh, smash. Is that Nick Gunner on the screen right now? You know, Weston, that's actually really sick. I'm not gonna lie. I agree with that statement. Let's get a Pokemon platform fighter and make it just Smash, but it's all Pokemon.
What? So, Buskin, Torchic, Blaziken, Arceus. No, he's not chicken.
Yo, can we scrap with God, please? Please let me scrap with God.
God.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Make Arceus a steak so I can scrap on God.
A steak.
Yeah, bring it. Honestly, I forgot how mad I am.
No, not HD.
It's all about
No,
everything
you don't get it.
No fucking Pokeballs.
You don't get it. 80 feet.
Sakurai, I'm coming for you.
Yeah,
God,
no,
if you
there's
don't
tag
bring
team
Pokeballs
affiliates
back,
and team up
so
and all.
help me God, I will
And
find
it
where you
culminated
live
in,
and
so
talk
you
to
know,
you.
like, roughly the rules of Pokemon? Like,
Yeah.
you when you take a KO, you get a
We have
prize
we have
card, right?
one whole
Okay, so you
person,
take
and it's
prize cards to
Weston.
win, right?
Slamus. I think that was after your set with Jaden. Or during your set with Jaden.
West. I don't know. Oh, I've never played Undertale or Deltarune.
Yeah.
Wait, okay, is Deltarune already released or like on chapter 7?
No. Deltarune tomorrow. Deltarune tomorrow.
Well, no, but like I thought. I was about to say, I thought we were only on like chapter 3 or 4.
Dude, we're on chapter 2.
Well, that's why I was surprised. I'm like, wouldn't the better joke to be like whatever the next installment should have been instead of adding it? But yeah, it's your joke. So no, I did not. No, they got Ed Sheeran doing that.
No, for like that.
Yeah, exactly.
So he did some really good work in the Scarlet Violet.
Toby Fox is actually like. I know fuck all about Undertale or Deltarune, but like the sound, I will as soon as. Yeah, cool. I'll do that when I have a laptop that can handle Steam. I have a 8-year-old waterlogged MacBook. Yeah, I'll just buy it with my non-money that I'm making right now, finishing my degree.
Not buddy with lunch shifts.
Oh.
Yep.
Okay, that. Yeah, but like, what would I pirate it on? Yeah, I have that MacBook over there beyond the cased Switch. That's mine. Yeah.
It's really close to getting it.
Yeah, and pixel art in general is always going to be low storage. Celeste. I assume that game's very small too.
Whoa! Oh, look back at this. This guy thought he was dead, so he looks at the screen while getting like hero skin, and he dies because he pops out. He just doesn't look bad.
Yeah, you two should go on before our setup. Also, like, how long do we wait until we just DQ Devin after? Like, what? Are they just gonna leave their shit here? I heard getting my vape. All that shit but knocked Doran. What? Who am I thinking of? Who's the Lucina Mario player at Japanese? I want to say there was Ludwig had a one. He had a Smash tournament like 2 years ago. And I want to say it was Leo versus that Lucina player that I can't remember. And the commentators were like jokingly talking about how much Leo was getting iced out by him. I know the name.
Oh my god.
Just I can't remember who the fuck it is.
You just should have started like I don't think that was
Right. I don't think that was a great shuriken so much as it was a bad side game. Because like any SPC player that side games parallels, just asking to get punched. Like, assuming they're playing this character with a projectile.
Yep.
Or a straight flowing projectile. You don't know half of it. I told Logan this story. So my roommate's in a band. They performed last night at a bar downtown. And it was supposed to be the opening act at 9, and they get on at 10, and then they're done by 11, done with teardown by 11:30. The opening act didn't finish until like 10:15, 10:30. And then so by the time their band was done and cleanup and all that shit happened, we were out there until almost midnight. And because everyone in the band was like mostly sober because they wanted to put on a show, they're like, well, it's only 2 more hours until bar closes, we might as well just stay out. So then we stayed out until 2 a.m. And then I woke up at 6 a.m. and I was about to go back to sleep, and then I said, 2-hour warning, you have therapy at 9 a.m. And then I just couldn't fall asleep after that. Yeah. But I mean, for only 4 hours of sleep, I feel alright. Proto Banham, yes, thank you. You are right. You are right. Weston. I mean, to be fair, Proto Bantam is.
Yeah, like I know that name.
Yeah.
Just not.
And yeah, they were only. I don't know where I got the Mario from. Maybe that was like their year one game or something. But, or maybe I'm just mistaking them with someone else, like another performance at that team. What the fuck was that? What the fuck?
That's what.
I haven't been on stream yet, so we're waiting until, if that's alright. You're the one drinking Fiend.
No, I don't know Dr. Pepper today.
Weren't you the one drinking Pepsi? No. You're one of those people that like caffeine just doesn't affect. Karama. Yep, that was where the Mario was coming from. Yeah.
Roberto down arrow.
No! That's so weird.
Juniors.
And she goes.
I assume in that situation that forward air was meant to be a back air.
Yeah.
IDJ back air.
Yeah, I need to back here. Yeah. Although Jade does the dance.
Honestly, Jaden's performance with the Mii's tonight, it's been like a 50-50 on if the stock being taken was her fault or her opponent's. Like, I think in our set, I took 3 times forward.
I love that stupid ass move.
See, I know nothing about Blatro other than that is. Yeah, but the difference is here, in this analogy, for this analogy to make sense, that would imply that Jaden has no control over when she kills herself.
Yeah. Well, I think.
All Mii's are parasites. Yeah.
Yeah, I agree.
But then again, so is raw players.
Oh my god, she was making it hard.
Yeah.
I think it should be.
I mean, I think they do just because I think everyone has free will. I think people are going to be. Oh, yeah.
It's more than silly clips on. It was an entire 30-minute video. It's an entire 30-minute video.
Well, it's just. There's a clear divide between the people that played, like, Violet before MKLeo and the people like me who've been there since day one. It's just like that, you know? Well, I mean, like... shit, you're right. Fuck, shut up, Allison. I'm going out for 4 hours of sleep. And you should kill yourself.
Damn!
I'm sorry. That's like smoking in front of someone trying to quit. I'm surprised how little the on everyone's soul jar hasn't been in play today.
Avery's here.
No, Jonah's the one that says it all the time.
Yeah, but it's the two of them playing off each other that makes it really bad.
Yeah. I've seen that happen time and time again with like teammates in general. Where shit, it's like, what was?
Kill yourself. Oh yeah, no. Weston back air is sword fighter's third best move.
You should kill yourself. Bow.
You would kill yourself.
That has to be like Twitch. So, no, they wouldn't censor the now and kill yourself. I like that. There, we fixed it. We typed it with a W or with a B instead of an N. I don't know. I got W. I think I'm dyslexic. Because I was looking at the W at the end of now or bow. That's it. Couple. I've been a day.
Yeah, you're on Bayo though. No weaknesses.
That's it. We need to ban Ganondorf right now. His sword is just too fucking big. was
Oh
team.
no, I think I do. Episode player. I mean, that makes sense.
It was TM7 Zap or whatever the fuck is
Every time I see Zap's tag, I think that the T whatever is like his sponsor, and then I'm like, no, that's just his entire tag.
What is she trying?
I'm sure she didn't know. We're just trying to be helpful.
Down air. Fourth best move.
Yeah, I think Rob might be out of the meta too, Weston. I think it might be it. Rob's time in the sun.
Yeah, Rob's too bad.
He's had it too good for too long. And that's still one of my favorite Summit skits. Was the one where Coney is malding over losing to a Ness, and then so Meister and Mars and one other person come in. And they basically threaten to like dox him and then go to his house and beat him up for Coney. It's like, you don't have to go that far. How'd I even? I know TK Breezy is in it as like an emergency dispatch call, like the hotline person that's on the other side. How would I even look that up? Smash.
Skid. You know what I have not seen? What? Left side beat, jump from left side. No, I have seen that. Oh. Cross. Well, that was not. No. Yes.
Here it is.